Welcome back to my lecture series on Python, lecture series 6. In the previous lecture series, we have discussed the basic concept about the Python tuple. Here, now we are continuing with the next remaining part of the Python tuple. So let's discuss one by one. As we know, the plus operator is used to combine the two tuples. This is also known as concatenation. We can also repeat the element in a tuple of a given number of times by using the asterisk operator. Both plus and asterisk operation result into a new tuple. Let's understand these two operations with the help of example. First we understand the concatenation. Print 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. Then output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For the repeat method, print repeat asterisk 3. It will display the output repeat 3 times. Repeat, repeat and repeat. Now, deleting a tuple. As I have told you before that we cannot change the element in a tuple. That means we cannot delete or remove the element from the tuple. But deleting the tuple entirely means deleting the tuple completely is possible using the keyword delete. We cannot delete a specific item from the tuple, but we can delete the entire tuple. For example, my tuple is equal to programiz. We cannot delete item if you uncomment the line 8, that is delete my tuple at index 3. You will get an error. An error type will be type error. Tuple object does not support the item deletion. But you can delete the entire tuple. That is delete my tuple, then result will be my tuple and which is empty. Now, here are some Python tuple method. Method that add item or remove item are not available with the tuple, but these are available with the list. For example, we can add item or remove item, but with tuple we cannot do this. Only we have two methods with the Python tuple method are count x. It return the number of item that is equal to x. Index x return index of first item that is equal to x. Example of tuple methods. My tuple is equal to apple. Now, first use the count method. Print mytuple.count p. Here the output will be 2 because the number of p in this method, in this tuple is 2. Now, use the index method. Print mytuple.indexL. It will give the indexing number of L, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Output is 3. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my next lecture series. Thank you.